All right, here is a trend that's already been set up in our RSLogix, and we've got several pens here. I'm not going to go through the setup of the pens, but basically you can run these trends and then save them as a CSV. The normal format is just a graphing file that you can view, but I find that really hard to use. I prefer to save these as a CSV file because you can use those within um, Microsoft Excel. All right, so we're going to go take a look at this file and just kind of show you what it looks like. You can see the pens will have columns, there'll be timestamps. You can go through the settings of the trend. I think the default is like logging data every 10 milliseconds. Of course, if you don't need to log it that quick, you can change it to 50 or to whatever you need. All right, so here's basically what it looks like here. You've got the columns, you've got your time stamps in here. And so this can be really good if you're looking for a value. You can go in here. I like to go and freeze rows. I like to go ahead and keep the headers there so I can scroll through the document and I keep those headers there. You can see how the headers are frozen there. That's one of the things I like to do is do the view and then freeze, like a freeze pane. Um, Another thing you can do too is you can do filters. I like to filter data sometimes. If you're looking for ones and zeros, you're looking for when maybe a particular pen went from a value of 0 to a 1, particularly if it's a boolean, or if you're looking for some other value, you can set up a filter and then select what the value is in that filter you want to see, and it'll take you right to the first row where that value is. So it's a very handy feature to use. I've used this quite a bit in troubleshooting through RSLogix. All right, so you can kind of see here sort of how that works. I'm not really going into a lot of detail on how you do the filters, how you do the freezing the panes, freezing the rows, and so on, but you can see how that could be useful. So hopefully this has been helpful. If you liked it, like, share, and subscribe, and catch you in the next video.